Okay, guys, in today's video, we will be checking out about three different assets, and of course, we will be checking out the performance. What we are most likely to get in today's trading activities, and we will be using a unique trading strategy that can help you to improve your trading activities on daily basis. Okay, you can with this new trading strategy, you can make more profits on daily basis if you use it right. Okay, so this is very, very important. So I want you to sit tight and watch this video to the end so that you will have a better understanding of how it works, how you can apply it whenever you are doing your analysis, and how you can get the best out of it. Okay, so quickly before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we are right here. Okay, so guys, okay, before that, in case you have any question, you can drop your question down there in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp in case you have personal question to ask. Okay, so now let's go back to what we have right here. So like I've always been telling you, the trend trading strategy is actually one of the best trading strategy which you can use. Either you want to trade on a lower time frame or on higher time frame, it is still the best strategy you can use. And I'm going to show you one or two things right here on this chart. This is Ganex 1200 right now on 15 minutes time frame. This actually started an uptrend right from here. It got to this support zone. As you can see, it was selling before, got to the support zone, and bought till it got to the resistance zone. um had the pullback, went back up to break out above that resistance zone to get to this region. Okay, right now it has gotten to another resistance zone. It has not been able to break out above it, so he tried to go back on downtrend, but after getting to the last support zone, this region, okay, it pulled back up again. So how do we know if this will continue with the trend, or probably we try to break out above this resistance zone? Remember, right here is a resistance zone, okay. This is very, very important. It is important you highlight some of these key areas so that you will know when to jump into the trade and when to stay away from the market. So right now, the market is trying to take a decision on the exact trend it should go into. That is why it is playing around here. Okay, so that is why it is important that you support your analysis with your trend lines. Okay, so you can draw the trend lines. Okay, so how do you draw the trend lines? You don't need to overstress yourself by going far away from the chart. Okay, so you can just analyze using your trend line within the region where you are at this particular point. Okay, so this is live chart. So if you are following up with me, you can also join me on your chart. If you have this trading tool, you can apply it and see what what you should expect. Normally, this has actually got into this resistance, so it has not been able to break out from there. So it has given us a downtrend signal and a sell signal. It sold for a while, which will have given people a lot of profit if they are taking that decision. Okay, but you can see here is the support region also. Right here is the support region, and it's almost got there. That was when it pulled back. Okay, so that should have been respected also. Okay, if you should notice at this point it went back, and also at this point also, this time around it went a little bit below it before going back, and of course you can see it is still within the same support region. Okay, so it should be respected, and it had a pullback. I believe that it should come back down to see if it will break out from there. And of course, and at the same time, it can also go back up, okay, and see if it will break out above this resistance region. Okay, so what are we supposed to do? If it breaks out above this trend line, which I drew, then definitely it will be targeting this resistance zone. Okay, so this is very, very important. It will be targeting that resistance zone. If it breaks out above this resistance zone, then it's going to buy more. So you should look out for the next resistance zone on higher time frame. But if it does not break out above this particular trend line, then it should be coming down to this particular trend. And right now you can see it didn't break out above it, so it's coming down and it will be targeting this particular trend line on the lower, on the lower part of the structure we are having right here. Okay, so if it gets to this trend line and it breaks out below it, then definitely it's most likely for it to get to this region. Okay, so you should prepare for that. And if it breaks out from here, then it's going into a full downtrend, and we should expect it to sell more and may likely get to this particular spot. Okay, so this will give us huge profit if you follow up with this instruction. In case you don't know the asset I'm analyzing, it is GainX 1200 on 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so watch out for that. So, and if you should notice, the custom made indicator is also following up with what the market is giving to us. Okay, so which means the custom made indicator is also giving us the best of it. Okay, it is doing the right job right there. Okay, so that is one thing I love about it. Now let's move on to the next asset. Okay, so this is GainX 999. Okay, the last one was GainX 1200. Let's check out GainX 999. Okay, GainX 999 also went on downtrend, got to this support region. It was unable to break out from there. You can see it right there, and also right there. Okay, so it is a very strong support region, and of course it has been on uptrend right from there. Okay, so actually we expect this to buy more, and we expect it once it goes above this. Okay, we expect it to buy more and may likely get to this particular spot. Okay, once it goes above this. Okay, because it is still very much on big uptrend, and of course we still expect more of a buying opportunity after this pullback. Okay, so this is very, very important, so you guys should take advantage of the opportunity right from there. Okay, now let's check out KNX 1200. But before then, let's see this. Okay, so you can see this is still KNX 999. You can see this is the true picture of what I explained earlier. Okay, so you can see we still expect it to buy more. Once it breaks out above this, it should get to this particular spot, and if it breaks out above this, then it's going to be a very strong buy and may likely get to this particular spot. Okay, at the end of the day, so we should watch out for that. Okay, so this is very, very important. Now let's move on to PayNext 1200. This is PayNext 1200. One beautiful thing I love about this is that if you are the smart type, you should have known that this is going to buy more. Okay, still on 15-minute time frame. Okay, this is PayNext. This actually got to the support zone around this point. Okay, another support region. Okay, it got there 2 times, was unable to break out from there. So you should know that this is a strong support region, and it switched from a downtrend into an uptrend, and it has been buying since then. And if you should look at the body of the candles, okay, they are giving us strong bodies. Okay, so this shows that it is on a strong momentum. Okay, so it's going to buy more. Okay, and of course, if you should notice this, you can also draw out your trend line. Sorry about that. Okay, okay, let me see. You can also draw out your trend line. If you should notice, this is where it broke out above this trend line if we had gone with this, and that is why it is going up. Okay, and of course, let's say you even missed out from that. This is another opportunity. Okay, or probably want to reduce your risk a bit. Okay, so you can see it broke above this and it has been buying. This is 15 minutes time frame. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's 5 bullish candles have been created like that, and of course this is still buying. Okay, for those who can still take advantage of it, it should get to this region first. Okay, and of course if it breaks out above that, we should expect it around here, and if it breaks out above that, okay, then it should get to this particular spot. Okay, so we should take note of that and take advantage of the opportunity right from there. And if I should zoom it out a bit, you're going to see the clear picture right from there. Okay, so That is it. Okay, so this is so amazing, guys. You guys can take advantage of all these opportunities right away. We've actually analyzed three different assets. Ganex 1200 was the first one. Ganex 999 was actually the second one, and Paynex 1200 was is actually the one that we just analyzed right now. Okay, so this is very, very important. So take note of that. Go back to your chart. If you're having this setup, that is the custom made indicator, you can apply it on the chart and you're going to see exactly what I am showing you right here. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, I wish you all the best as you go ahead and have a beautiful trading opportunity today. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. And if you have any question, you can drop your question in the comment section or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.